Hi all, welcome back to Learn With Me. Have you ever skipped any courses that you like the most as you can't afford to it? No need to worry. You can now do any courses you would like to enroll, even if it is a paid one, and it's for absolutely no cost. So let's check how to enroll using financial aids offered by Coursera. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and share the link with your friends. All the links for the video is available in the description box. Please check it out. So first thing we have to do is to log into Coursera. You can simply log in using your Gmail account. So the ID will be given in the description box. So the next thing we have to do is to find out the course which we would like to enroll. There are n number of courses in Coursera. We can check all the courses. Another way to check out the courses available in Coursera is to click the Explore button on the top of the site. There you can see courses under various categories like Arts and Humanities, Business, Computer Science, Data Science, Information Technology, Health, Maths and Logic, Personal Development, Physical Science and Engineering, Social Sciences, Language Learning, etc. So you can select any courses as you wish. Here you can select the courses on the basis of skills required, job title, level, language, duration, type, and creator. So here we can see n number of interesting courses. So I'll be clicking this one, Work Smarter, Not Harder, Time Management for Personal and Professional Productivity. So if you go into the details of the course, you can see that you can enroll for free, but never click on that button, because if you enroll for free, you'll get the whole course for free, but you'll never get a certificate. So it's better to apply for a financial aid if you require a certificate. But even before applying for financial aid, you have to go through the details of the course. You can check the syllabus of the course. So shows that it requires 3 hours to complete, and it has got 4 modules. Okay, and completion time required for each module is specified over there itself. So let's apply for a financial aid. For that, you have to click on the financial aid available button. You have to click continue to the application, and it says that application will take at least 15 days to get a review. So the first screen you can see is that financial aid screen, and it shows whether you commit to finish the course. So the thing you have to remember is that if you are getting a financial aid, you have to commit to finish the course. It's mandatory that you have to complete the course, and here you have to type I agree to the terms above, and you have to click on this as well. Then click on the continue button. Okay, so another screen appears. Here you have to choose your educational status, your annual income, choose employment status, then how much can you afford to pay. So leave it as blank, and here you have to specify why you are applying for the financial aid. Here specify that you are a student or you're not in a position to pay for the course, or specify why it is inevitable to have a financial aid. Once you have filled in the column, you can next go to the next question. How will taking the course help you achieve your career goals? Specify how the course will help you in your career planning or career enhancement, etc. So the next question is, would you consider a low interest loan to pay off the course? So definitely we are going to say a big no, because we want the course for free. So next one, if you answered no, please help us understand why. So specify why you're not able to pay off as a loan. And finally, you have to click I'm not a robot and press the submit application button. Finally, after 14 days, you'll get a mail from Coursera specifying that your financial aid application is approved. So finally, it's time for tip of the day. So the first tip is that you can apply for more than one course at a time, and you have an equal chance of getting financial aid for all the courses you apply. Second thing is, you won't get a financial aid for course which is a specialization. Hope the video was useful to you all. We'll be back with another useful video.